In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link a Google Calendar event inside your HubSpot marketing email so your audience can quickly add it to their calendars. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot site and sign in to your account. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and find the Marketing section. From there, select Email to open your Marketing Emails dashboard. Locate the email you want to update. Hover over it to reveal options, then click Edit to open the email editor. In the editor, click directly in the spot where you want the calendar invite link to appear. This might be in your hero copy, under a call to action, or near event details like date and time. Placing it where readers naturally look helps increase clicks. At the top of the editor's toolbar, choose Insert Link. In the dialog that appears, start by entering the link text. Use something clear and action-oriented like Add to Calendar or Save this event. Next, in the field labeled Link to, choose URL. We'll paste the event link here in a moment. Now let's grab the event link from Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in a new tab and click the event you want people to add. In the Event Details pop-up, click the three dots menu. Choose Publish Event. This generates a public link you can share. Click Copy to put that link on your clipboard. A quick note: publishing makes the event accessible via that link, so double-check the event title, date, time zone, and description to ensure you're comfortable with what's visible. Head back to your HubSpot email tab. In the URL field of the link dialog, paste the link you just copied from Google Calendar. Confirm everything looks correct. The link text should read naturally in your sentence, and the URL should be the Google Calendar publish link. Finally, click Insert. You'll see the hyperlink appear in your email content where you placed your cursor. If you hover over it in the editor, you should see the destination URL preview. That's it. Your email now includes a clickable calendar invite link that takes recipients to your event so they can add it with a single click. To recap, you signed into HubSpot, opened your marketing email, inserted a link with clear link text, fetched a public event link from Google Calendar via Publish Event, pasted it into HubSpot, and inserted the link. You're ready to continue editing or schedule your send with confidence.